Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration e to the power x 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square dx. So I is equal to integration e to the power x 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square dx is equal to integration e to the power x. Here in the denominator 1 plus x, so we want to make this one 1 plus x, so it will be 1 plus x, and here minus x, that's why minus 2x. So x minus 2x is minus x, okay, dx. And this one we can write in the parenthesis 1 plus x. Integration e to the power x. Here we can use algebraic identity a minus b whole square. Okay, so this is 1 plus x square minus 2. Here this one a value 1 plus x, b value 2x plus b square, so 2x square, and this is 1 plus x square, and this is dx. So here numerator is square and denominator is square. Okay, now we can simplify. So integration e to the power x. Here 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel, so we get 1, and here minus 2 times 2 4, and 1 plus x, here 1 plus x cancel, so here in the denominator 1 plus x, this 1 left, and this x here. Okay, this is 4x square, because 2x whole square is 2 square is 4 and x square is x square, so 4x square. So this is 4x square, and here 1 plus x whole square dx. This is e to the power x minus 4x e to the power x 1 plus x plus, sorry, this one 4x square e to the power x 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, and this is dx. Now we can write separately. So this is e to the power x dx minus 4 integration x e to the power x 1 plus x dx plus 4 integration x square e to the power x divided by 1 plus x whole square dx, and this is I. Now we solve this integration part, this last term. Okay, so integration x square e to the power x 1 plus x square dx. This integral we will solve by integration by parts formula. And do you know integration by parts formula is integration u v dx is equal to u integration v dx minus d upon dx u integration v dx and this whole thing integrate with respect to x. So here v is x square e to the power x, and v is 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. So you write as it is here outside x square e to the power x, integrate v is 1 upon 1 plus x whole square dx, minus integration here d upon dx means differentiate u is this one x square e to the power x, and integrate v is 1 upon 1 plus x whole square dx, and this whole thing integrate. So now here x square e to the power x, when we integrate this 1 plus x is whole square, so here power 2, so minus 2 actually, right? Means when we write in the reciprocal, so it will be negative. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, so our answer is minus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power minus 1. So we write in the denominator. Okay. It means when we integrate this one, we got this. Okay. Here, when we differentiate this, so we use here product rule. Here first function x square and second function e to the power x. So first differentiate first function 2x e to the power x, then write x square as it is and differentiate this one e to the power x. And we know that this, when we integrate this, we got this one minus 1 upon 1 plus x. So minus 1 upon 1 plus x, and this whole thing dx. Now we can simplify. So minus 1, it means minus x square e to the power x divided by 1 plus x, and this minus and this minus will be plus. Integration, here we can take common x e to the power x. So here 2 and here x divided by 1 plus x dx, and this value was for this one integration x square e to the power x divided by 1 plus x whole square dx. This value we can substitute in this equation. Okay, it means here, so I will be integration e to the power x dx. So we write integration e to the power x dx, and what is next? Okay, minus 4 integration x e to the power x 1 plus x dx. We write second term minus 4 integration x e to the power x upon 1 plus x dx, and then write this one plus 4, and then write this value. Okay, so first write plus 4, and here we use this one. Okay, this value we substitute. So minus x square e to the power x 1 plus x plus integration x e to the power x 2 plus x, this one, divided by 1 plus x dx, this value. Okay, now we can multiply this 4. So okay, We can integrate this one. E to the power x dx will be e to the power x minus 4 integration x e to the power x 1 plus x dx. And here when we multiply 4, this will be minus 4 x square e to the power x divided by 1 plus x. And when we multiply 4 here, we get 4 x e to the power x 2 plus x 1 plus x dx e to the power x. And we write this term first. So minus 4 x square e to the power x 1 plus x. And now I am writing this one. So minus 4 integration x e to the power x 1 plus x dx plus when we split this, so this is 2 multiply x e to the power x, and 2 times 4 8 integration x e to the power x 1 plus x dx plus when multiply this one, so 4 x multiply x square e to the power x 1 plus x dx e to the power x minus 4 x square e to the power x 1 plus x. And you can see this term and this term are same integral, but this is minus 4 and here 8. So 8 minus 4, 4. So this will be plus 4 integration x e to the power x 1 plus x dx plus we write this one. So 4 integration x square e to the power x 1 plus x dx. Now again we simplify. Minus 4 x square e to the power x 1 plus x. From here we take common 4, and here in the denominator 1 plus x, so we can write, okay, I think we can do like that, x e to the power x upon 1 plus x plus x square e to the power x 1 plus x dx. I hope now you got it, right? This one right and this one right. Okay. E to the power x minus 4x square e to the power x 1 plus x plus 4. And here we take, okay, so here denominator is 1 plus x, so we can easily add a numerator, and here we can take common x e to the power x, so here left 1 and here x dx. And you can see this is 1 plus x cancel. Okay, e to the power x 4x square e to the power x 1 plus x plus 4 x e to the power x dx. We apply here integration by parts formula again according to this one. Okay, this. So here we can let u is x and v is e to the power x. Okay, I'm doing here 4x square e to the power x 1 plus x plus 4. U is x, v is e to the power x dx minus integration d upon dx. This is in the parenthesis. X integration e to the power x dx, and this whole dx. Okay. So here e to the power x minus 4x square e to the power x 1 plus x plus 4x. When we integrate this, we get e to the power x minus, here this is 1 and this is e to the power x. 1 times e to the power x is e to the power x, and again we integrate. So actually, okay, we can write here like this. Okay, so this bracket portion is e to the power x because this is 1 and this is e to the power x. Okay, then e to the power x minus 4 x square e to the power x divided by 1 plus x plus 4. Here x e to the power x, and this is minus e to the power x when we integrate. And now finally we write any arbitrary constant c. E to the power x minus 4x square e to the power x 1 plus x. Here 4x e to the power x minus, this is 4 e to the power x plus c. So in each term here e to the power x. So we can take common e to the power x 1 minus 4x square 1 plus x plus 4x minus 4 plus c. So here e to the power x minus 4x square divided by 1 plus x. This is 4x and 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus c. E to the power x. Here we solve this one part, bracket portion. So 1 plus x minus 4x square plus 4x 1 plus x minus 3 1 plus x plus c. E to the power x. Here 1 plus x, this is minus 4x square plus 4x plus 4x square minus 3 minus 3x and plus c. Very simple question, just do step by step. E to the power x, okay, this one cancel. So here 4x minus 3x x, and this minus 3 divided by 1 plus x plus c, and this is our final answer. So if you follow these steps and solve step by step, so very simple question, it is not lengthy, very nice question. But if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.